We grow several unusual crops here in our garden. Well, of course we grow weeds. And when I was young, I liked to study the wild plants that were edible. I wasn't quite as good a gardener back then, but none of them really tasted all that good except for one that I really enjoy, and it's called lamb's quarters. It's in a family of plants called Chenopodium that includes spinach. Lamb's quarters is wild spinach. Well, during the winter, I was reading these seductive seed catalogs, and I came across a named variety of lamb's quarters that's been grown just for the greens, and it has a pretty purple center in it. And here it is. This is called magenta lamb's quarters. Isn't that beautiful? All you do is just pick off the tips of this, steam it up a little bit, and serve it just like you would spinach. It's really good. Another weed that's common in our lawns is the dandelion. Now, you've probably heard of dandelion greens, which are edible, but they're a little bit tough. Well, we're growing one this year called Italian dandelion, which is actually in the chicory family. Italian dandelion is a bitter green that's really good for you. It's a liver detoxer and just a very good green, though it's quite bitter. The lamb's quarter isn't nearly as bitter. Another unusual crop we're growing this year is borage. It has beautiful blue flowers and an interesting flavored leaf that tastes quite a bit like a cucumber. Borage is another medicinal herb that's used as a garnish in restaurants. You don't see it a whole lot, but again, this is more of something that you would find in Europe. So when you're gardening, if you feel like you don't really have a green thumb, you may start by growing some of these easy to grow weeds.